the fuck, Wyatt? Whoa. No way. What the fuck? Jesus Christ, Wyatt, do you have to smoke in here?
You're such a prude, Miss Upton. It's just a little bit of weed, no harm to it.
You're so pathetic. With that shirt, it's no wonder you don't have a girlfriend.
My surf shirt. All the chicks dig it.
Morning, you two. Seem to be in great moods. Jesus, Wyatt, what died in here?
Miss Upton's sense of humor did, brah.
What the fuck?
Chill, I put it out.
Shut up, Wyatt. No, there's something going on in the backyard. Can you come over here, please, Jim?
What the hell? That's easily big enough to be a body. But there has to be something else. He's always just been a chill old dude.
Guess so. Where are you going?
I go check stuff out.
Be careful.
I will.
Are you sure we should just let him go over there by himself?
Who cares? Maybe if you didn't spend all your time watching birds and you actually got a job, he wouldn't have left us.
Get off my back, asshole. I have a career. I don't need some dull job just to make you happy.
Rent is due next month and you have no money. I'm not paying for it. Jim's not paying for it. You better figure shit out.
I don't need another cent from your pockets. I'd sooner sell drugs to school kids, you unkempt, pitiful, guinea pig herding, incompetent porcupine of a man.
You bitch. Go to hell.
Wyatt! Hey, Wyatt, open up.
What up, Jane?
Hey, has Jim come back yet?
Nah, dude. I haven't seen him. Did he call?
He's not answering any of my text messages. Oh my god, he's mopping up blood. Fuck, get over here.
Oh, wait. Let me see. I can't see shit out of these things.
Come on.
All right. Oh, we should totally call the cops.
No, the last time we called the cops, it took them like 6 hours to get here. We need to go over there now.
Well, if things go south, I'm dipping. I'll tell them there were at least 3 bodies.
It might already be too late. Let's go. Let's go. Jim? 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 Jim, are you in there? Can you hear me? Let's go. god!
Gnarly. Oh.
Hey, dude, where the fuck is Jim?
You caught me at a bad time.
Where the fuck is Jim?
My name is Peter. Could we please finish this later? I'd love to have this conversation, just not right now.
Alright, that sounds reasonable. Jane, living room, please.
Now, what can I do for you folks?
My boyfriend Jim came over here to ask you about the body we saw you burying in your backyard.
It was my friend, Bumble. He was such a good boy. St. Bernards are a great dog.
And what about the blood that we saw you mopping up earlier?
That was juice I made for this really polite young man who stopped by. And that's when my first bout of diarrhea hit, and I made a mess in both directions, if you know what I mean.
Hey, bud. Where the fuck is Jim?
You know, he said something to me through the bathroom door, but my mind was elsewhere, so I don't really know.
Hey, Mr. Sizer. I just got back. I got that medicine
Jim?
you were.
Oh, thank God. Where have you been? Why haven't you been answering my calls?
Oh, I went to get Mr. Sizer here some medicine, and I had to take the bus. My card was out of juice when I got back, so I had to walk. Here's that medicine for you.
Thanks so much. I have some cash if you want it.
Oh no, don't worry about that. We're totally fine.
We're so sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'd have done the same thing if somebody I loved was missing. It's perfectly fine. You know what? It's a beautiful day out today. You kids should go do something fun. Get out of here. I'll be okay. Thank you so much. And you come back anytime now.
We will.
All right.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Such a nice guy, he never thought twice that he might die. He just rushed off to help any way that he could, never thinking about riding in that box made of wood. So we did our best to retrieve him. Instead we caught some old dude relieving himself. So we asked him the $1 million question: where the fuck is Jim? 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 Where the fuck is Jim?
Where the fuck is Jim?